Hello, welcome to Chef School channel, a channel where you meet with recipes from culinary books. Today we will show you how to make a classic pastry cream or crème pâtissière. We will also show you how to diversify the pastry cream with different flavors like Baileys and praline. How to make praline, we have a video about it, so feel free to go ahead and do it yourself with our recipe. Actually, in the video that we have, we show praline in two different ways, so you can choose based on your culinary level. I want to present you this book, which is called Untitled Chapter. It's an amazing book for any pastry enthusiast or a chef. It has so many recipes that you can probably lose 2-3 years into making all of them. So if you're interested to buy some book that make you grow and make you better chef, this is the one. And of course, not only a chef, but a better cook at home maybe. Great book. This silky pastry cream or crème pâtissière is a creamy custard packed with vanilla that's perfectly sweet. It's iconic filling used in éclairs, cream puffs, millefeuille and fruit tarts. And of course, not only, it's delicious by itself as well. Crème pâtissière is one of my all-time favorite things to do. So let's get in the kitchen. Actually, we are in the kitchen, so let's just go make it. Actually, before we start, can I please ask you guys to support not only us, but any other small channel by liking, sharing, subscribing with the bell button, comment down below. This really helps us grow and give us the time to show more recipes. Products needed are whole eggs, sugar, flour, cornstarch, butter, vanilla, and milk. At the end, I will show you how to flavor this pastry cream. To begin, combine the milk and half of the sugar in a saucepan. If you're using vanilla bean, scrape the seeds and add it to the milk, or if you use vanilla paste, add it now. Bring this to a gentle boil over medium heat. We are using vanilla paste from Nielsen Macy. Meanwhile, whisk the eggs with the remaining sugar in a mixing bowl until well blended. Sieve the cornstarch and flour into the egg mixture and whisk until combined. Make sure there are no lumps. As soon as the milk comes to a boil, slowly pour it into the egg and starch mixture. This is called tempering, as we are trying not to cook the eggs. Return to the saucepan and bring to a boil over medium heat, whisking vigorously. Continue to boil while whisking for about 2-3 minutes. Depending on the ingredients that you use, you may see that your pastry cream becomes way too thick. Then, at this case, just add a few drops of milk at a time till desired thickness. But most likely this recipe should give you the perfect smoothness. Once thickened, remove from the heat and stir in the diced butter until smooth and blended. To cool the pastry cream, quickly transfer to a baking tray, flatten and cover with plastic wrap so you can avoid skin forming on the top. Take out any air and chill it down. If you plan to flavor with alcohol like Baileys, Cointreau, which is orange liqueur, brandy, cognac or any other alcohol of your choice, you should cool down the pastry cream first and then start adding the alcohol. Be aware that for this flavor you may want to increase the cornstarch in the recipe, as once added the alcohol will make the cream a bit loose. Other way to flavor a pastry cream is to add nut pastes. We are adding praline, for which we have a video, and if interested, go to our channel and check it out. Depending on how thick is the nut paste you're adding, it's better to add it while the pastry cream is hot. In the case of praline, add it after cooling. You can easily pipe the pastry cream and serve it to guests to impress with this simple but sophisticated flavor. This is everything from today's video. I just wanna remind you that you can show us your love by liking, subscribing, commenting, and hitting the bell button as well so you don't miss any notification. That is really helping us a lot to grow the channel and to show this video and other videos to more people. Hopefully we were helpful. Let us know in the comments if we were or if we were not. Hopefully we were. But this was the basic recipe for pastry cream. See you next time. Don't forget you can click the next video, yeah, somewhere here. Just don't go to other channels, yeah. Stay here. We have more, and then more coming as well, yeah.